It was good.
What is that?
I'm at the crib.
Why is my friend telling me she's seen you with somebody? Like, this is really annoying. Like,
Yo, you can't be serious right now.
Yo, I gotta go.
Straight out the 5, reporting live from the trenches in the game while I'm sucker niggas stuck riding the benches sideline and all depressed and I ball like Monty Ellis. Why them hoes keep calling? They all hopped on my pelvis, get jealous. They can't help it, won't share a nigga. They selfish, you can tell they get overzealous whenever in my presence. Don't stress them, never sweat them, just sex them. Then I next them, I X them out the picture just as quick as a nigga get them and let them get the best of me. Trust me, you'll never see something let us see. I'm bumping Frankie Beverly till I'm elderly, and when I'm dead and they bury me, I'll forever be a player. Y'all will remember me, the memory of a nigga who did it comfortably, and I'm still living sucker free. Come fuck with me, get you up to speed. I'm from the east and I run the streets until I'm underneath. Trust and believe, I'm gonna eat. Trust and believe, I'm gonna eat. Gotta get that money, gotta get that money. Yeah. Gotta get that money, gotta get that money. I'm so cold, you know I'm on that player shit. Never love them hoes, and you know I never save a bitch. Follow the codes, get into it is all I know. Power of $1, that money call, I gotta go. I gotta get it, respect it, that's what my OG told me. Go links and rollies, you niggas know me, the one and only. Sean Mac the homie, your Mac like Goldie, I pimp like Tony. On the scene, get into this cream, your bitch just chose me, cause you're phony. It's transparent, so fucking clear, and I feel no man, never not in 100 years. Remember nights with my cupboard bare, nothing there. Now I'm climbing up the stairs, I jumped another 10, my mother's tears is what kept me going, and she envisioned that a son would be a star, a keen prediction. Classic like the Act Legend, 93 edition. Never catch feelings, broke niggas, they keep on bitching. I'm winning through the grace of God. I face the odds and fuck a critic. Don't even entertain the blogs. I paid the cost to be the boss. I'm running shit, money over all and everything above a bitch. And everything above a bitch. Gotta get that money, gotta get that money. Yeah. Gotta get that money, gotta get that money. I'm so cold, you know I'm on that player shit. Never love them hoes, and you know I never save a bitch. Follow the codes, get into it is all I know. Power of $1, that money call, I gotta go. I'm so cold, you know I'm on that player shit. Never love them hoes, and you know I never save a bitch. Follow the codes, get into it is all I know. Power of $1, that money call, I gotta go. That money call, I gotta go, gotta go, gotta go.